name is Tao Song. I'm a senior systems engineer at Autism Spectrum Australia. Basically, I'm doing all IT things, including server, networking, and database applications. The Autism Spectrum Australia is a kind of not-for-profit and educational organization to help the autism student to improve them the ability in learning or in whatever working capabilities. So yeah, but for myself, I'm more focused on IT support. We have an IT team with 10 people. I'm working in networking, servers, applications, database, or whatever IT related jobs. I'm the level 3 support in the team. We are using a lot of managing engine products, including Endpoint Central, Service Desk Plus, AD360, AD Manager, Exchange Reporter, Audit Plus, and self-service, etc. I think, yeah. Endpoint Central is very helpful for me to patch the servers. Every month they're Tuesday patching. Then if we do this manually on each server one by one, then that will be a kind of huge effort. But in Endpoint Central, I can define the policies and to deploy those patches automatically, and even can reboot the servers automatically. So that's a really time saving for administrators like us. And also Endpoint Central provides us with the remote control feature, which is very useful for us to support the end users, either in the office or remotely. That is really, really good feature, including the software deployment. We can deploy software based on the needs on the computers. So Endpoint Central is really helping us our daily administration. That I think that's a huge time saving. If you ask me how much time, I can't give you an exact number, but I could say that's a huge time saving because, for example, if you patch a single server manually, that's usually take you about 1 to 2 hours, depending on how much patch is installed and how much time it takes to reboot the server. But for this one, you just go to. Usually we do that at weekend. In the midnight, you just go to bed. The next morning you check the result. You don't need to stay there to look at the computer all the time. And for OS deployment, that can build Windows 10 laptop within 10 minutes. That's if you install a standard image manually on a Windows 10 computer, that take you about half a day to complete everything. So that's huge time saving. For managed engine support, I'm very happy for what they are doing because they can always give us a timely response. And they are supporting us proactively, not only from the ticket that I have raised with managed engine, but also the product manager, the sales manager. They always try to reach out me for any requirement from our organization. And so that is what I like. And the ticket, and I believe their managed engines support are very kind of capable of fixing the problems that are raised by not only ourselves but also by many of the other organizations. They are quite skillful people and quite helpful. For the event that I'm attending today, I'm quite happy that I can talk to so many Managed Engine team members, and some of them were even working on the ticket that I raised before. And the team members are very kind and also very, very happy to see me here, and always ask me if I have any further questions or any further requirement for the product they are managing. They are very professional people. I can see Managed Engine is a growing product in the market share. So your organization is trying everything you could to improve the products. That's very helpful for our existing customers, and I believe our good experience will also be something useful for your potential customers. Definitely for IT industry or IT department, they need something like this. As the system administrators, we can do a lot of tasks automatically instead of manually, which also save us a lot of time. So yes, definitely, I will recommend my friends or colleagues, former colleagues, Managed Engine product in their IT daily work.